So what is the Termux? Termux stands for Powerful Terminal Emulator for Android, which brings the Linux command tools to your mobile devices. Got it? It supports the package management using the APT and allow installation of the programming language such as security tools and the servers and more. Generally nothing but there is a one terminal is there for an Android phone. Your Android also a Linux operating system. Your Android is also a Linux. To access Linux, nothing but to access your phone from command prompt. Generally, how will you access the Windows? Either two ways you can access Windows. Either from the command prompt you can access, either graphical we can access. Okay, isn't it? Same thing here when you access the Android to run the Android from the command prompt, then you use the which tool? That is called Termux. Got it? This Termux is a powerful terminal emulator for Android, which brings Linux command line tools for the mobile devices. It supports the package management tool using the APT and allows installation of the programming languages. We can install suppose I want to do the practice the Python, I want to practice the Java, that can also I can do. Okay, and also we can install the security tools and servers and many more. To installation of this Termux, we need to go to this website. We need to go to this website. So where we can download the Termux? This is the website where we can download the Termux. Okay, got it? Okay. Understood? Here, this is the commands are there. First, how will you going to install to the Termux here? Just go to the Play Store. And here type Termux. Okay, type Termux. Now it is in the Play Store. Click on this one, this Termux. Now I am installing the Termux. Okay, understood? So I had already installed the Termux. We need to click on the Termux. So what are the commands are there to practice the ethical hacking or cyber security? One by one going to learn. So what are the commands are there during the Kali Linux? I'd explain you. The first command is the ls. What is mean ls? What is mean ls? List the files and folder. What does mean ls means? List the files and folder. What are the files are there? Javid and Javid 2 is there. This is the list of the files and folders are there. Got it? Here, to know the IP address, what is the command is there? To know the IP address command, if config. So now what is the IP address? Is this having an IP address? This is an IP address. This is an IP address. Okay. This is a IP address of the which one? You are not this one, WLAN, because I have connected to the Wi-Fi. This one is the IP address of my machine. Got it? Okay. So and the next command is nothing but a clear. What is the clear here? Clear here. This is clear. First command is ls. The next command is pwd. What is the pwd? pwd stands for present working directory. So present working directory shows the which directory you are. Present working directory, where you are. So you are like this in Windows. We have Windows. I go to the Windows here. Okay, in the Windows, there is a path is there. So if you see this path. So this is the path. Remember, this is the what? Path. This is the path. In Windows is a graphically, in E drive we have a param projects folder, in this one resume folders are there. Same thing here in the Termux, same thing in the Termux here. What? Path. How will you know the current working directory? Typing the pwd. Okay, got it? So then to create a file, what is the command here? Touch. What is the command here? Touch. Touch followed of the file name. You any file name. I'll just giving the touch as a file 1. So it is to create a file. It is to create a file. Got it? So then here ls. ls means list the files and folder. So this is the folder. This blue color is the folder, and this one, this white color is the file. This is the file. I want to delete a file. Then how to delete a file? rm minus rf, rm minus rf. What is the file name here? File 1. File 1, file 1. So now let me check here. So it was deleted. See this, what is that? File 1 is deleted. So why I am explaining this one? Because of why this one I am explaining, because of the most of the people doesn't have a laptop. Okay, so those people doesn't have any laptop. This is the one of the solution. Still మీరు ఇంకా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుంటే మీ కర్మ ఇంకా మనం ఏం చేయలేము. టర్మక్స్ మీద ఎలా చేయాలో చెప్తాను, అర్థమవుతుందా? So to delete the folder here, now it is deleted. Which one? File 1 is deleted. See this, there is a, when you check ls here, there is a, this 2 is there. Previously it was 3 there. I had deleted this one. Okay, now I am going to delete another file. Okay, how will you delete one? rm minus rf. Another file is javit2. Another file is what? Javit2. Okay, what it? Another file is there, what? Javit2. So again type here ls. Now only 2 files are deleted. Javit2 file is deleted, file 1 is deleted. To delete the folder also, rm minus rf. This blue color is the folder. Then, okay, then here Javit. What it? Then how will you create a folder? mkdir folder name is, you can use hacking and just need to create a folder called hacking. mkdir hacking. Now created a hacking folder. Then how will you check here? Type ls, list the files and folder. Now created what? Hacking folder. What it? Hacking folder. Understood? This is what? Termux. See this, Termux. Okay? So now hacking folder. So now I want to enter into the folder. Then how will you going to enter into the folder? cd hacking. I am in the which folder? Hacking folder. Hacking. How will you check here? Press pwd. I am in the data folder, Termux file. Enter the home and which folder? Hacking folder. How will you go for this one? cd means change the directory. mkdir means create a directory. What it? Then again go back here, cd dot dot. Then what is the path here? pwd. Okay. Then type here ls. There is a one folder is there, hacking folder. Is there. What it or not? Understood? How will you create a files and folder? Here, whenever you see these commands are there, whenever you install the Termux, first thing we need to type the package update. Here, what is that? Here, package update. Okay, what is that? We use that package update. pkg update to update the Termux. Okay, package update. What it? So next command is there. Next command is to package upgrade. So mean that this Termux is upgraded. So what is the command here? Just clear here. Type clear. Then what is the command here? Package upgrade. What it? Package upgrade. So now upgrading. Yes. So now package is upgrading. Okay. Then from the Termux, to exit from the Termux, we need to type the what? This is the command. Here to install the repositories, we need to any software. I want to install any software. What is the command here? pkg install. What is that? Understood? To install Java, see this, to install Python, what is the command here? To install Node.js, pkg install Node.js. pkg C language you need to run, you can run the C language also. Pkg install C language. Java installation pkg install OpenJDK 17. Okay, 17. Here to install the Nmap, what is the command here? Nmap. What is the Nmap command? Just I need get all answer from all of you. From 170 and 80 people are there. I need from all of answers. I need. So we're going to continue. Okay, we're going to continue here. So what are the continue here? To install the repositories here, just to suppose they want to create a storage. What is the command here? Termux setup storage. Termux setup storage. Termux hyphen setup storage. STORAG. No command. Spelling mistake. Storage. What is the commands? Termux minus setup store storage. Correct hai kada? Okay. So now creating the Termux setup storage. Remember? So storage. Allowed this one. Okay. Got it? The next thing is there, to access the storage, we need to type this command. Okay, this command. Then we install the repositories. What is the command? Repositories means updating the all the list. Your Termux is having a repositories means all application list. It will update the all repositories. So pkg install root repo. Root, it won't copy, but here it won't copy here. We need to type here. So what is the command here? Pkg install root minus repo. Root minus repo. So then how will you install here? Pkg install what? Root minus repo. Okay? Understood? At least after seeing this video, I am sending this already sent to everything to you. Then practice. Still you are not practice. Okay, next command is this one. Pkg install x111 repo. X111 repo. Okay. What is the next command is there? Unstable repo. What is the next command? Unstable repo. Okay. So now we're going to install the Python. How will you install the Python? Pkg install Python. How will you install the Python? So if install any command, then how will you use this one? Pkg install package name. What is the package name here? Python. So now it will install the Python. Install the Python. From here also you can practice the term Python. Suppose you are learning a Python, you don't have any laptop. From here also you can practice the Python. Anything, Python, Java, C. So now installing the Python. Now installing the Python. Okay. So this Termux is used to do the mobile hacking. In general, if you don't have a Kali Linux, instead of using your laptop, we'll go for the mobile phone where we install the Termux and we're going to run this all command and do the practice. Whatever the things I had explained you can practice here also. You don't need any laptop if you don't have any laptop. Okay, so now it is installing the Python. Now it is installing C language. I don't know that it is also unpacking. Okay, now to install the Node.js here, same Node.js. Do you know Node.js? To install Node.js here, type here what? Node minus JS. That means okay, no minus is there. No minus is there. Node.js. It will install the Node.js. Install the Node.js. You can practice the Node.js also. Okay, some got error. Next thing, you want to install the OpenJDK, you can install the Java also. How will you install the Java? Package install OpenJDK. Suppose I want to install Nmap. I want to Nmap. So I want to install the Nmap here. How will you install the Nmap here? Clear. Package install Nmap. Okay. Now it install the Nmap. Now install the Nmap. So what happening here? Okay, Node.js is having issue there. So how will you do the Nmap? Nmap followed by the IP address, target IP address. Do you remember the commands of the Nmap? To remember the commands of the Nmap? Do you remember the Nmap command? So what are the Nmap commands are there? I'd explain you Nmap commands, all Nmap commands. I'd explain you all Nmap command. How will you install? Nmap. Package install Nmap. Suppose I have installed to install all this command, then one by one I will. Suppose I want to install package install networking tools. These are the network tools we are going to install. Package install. These are the networking tools. So install here. Clear first. Okay. We are going to install the all hacking related commands. So what is the first command? Package install Nmap ID install. So then I will install the OpenSSH. So then here, what is the command here? Package install OpenSSH. OpenSSH. Okay, now just installing. Now installing. So what's the problem with the package Termux service? Root access avani bolemo. Okay, now I install the OpenSSH. To install the Metasploit, you know Metasploit? What is the Metasploit tool? What is the Metasploit tool? What is the Metasploit tool?